Look at this 100 pieces self-hinging hair barrettes. Let's explore it together. I'm super excited. Whoa! Wow, aren't they cute? Do you have a daughter, or do you have like a girl who is, or a front woman girl who is super girly, who likes to play with her hair like me? Look at this. This is a cherry, and this is a flower, and let me place it on my hair. Isn't that cute? I love that. Wow, it's made of really cute and nice, simple kind of material, plastic material. It reminds me of Barbie, to be honest. Look at this little cherry and this little bow. How cute! I like it. Another flower. It's yellow, white cherry, another bow, two tones of purple from the flowers, yellow cherry. There are so many different colors, and let me put them here on the table. Those are like really nice and amazing, and if you have like little daughters, this is like the perfect gift for your little daughters. Look at how cute they look on me, and I consider myself a grown-up. Those are super cute. I really love them. They look super nice and super cute, even on my hair like this. They are super easy to play with and maneuver. I really love them, and I really highly recommend them. Wow, look how cute. Look how cute.